Hey there! Kumusta kayo? Magluluto ako ngayon ng grilled salmon para sa dinner namin. So, ang kailangan lang natin is yung 1.5 pound salmon. So, gagawa tayo ng seasoning mix na i-marinate natin for 10 to 15 minutes. So, umpisahan natin sa extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoon yung gagamitin natin. Yung garlic is 1/2 teaspoon. Lagyan natin ng garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika para medyo smoky yung taste. 1/4 tablespoon of 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Tapos asin, mga 1/2 teaspoon ng asin. Gamit ko ng pink salt para kunwari healthy. Haluin natin yung ginawa natin marinade. Tapos i-pour natin dito sa salmon. Masanda na. Alright guys, here's the salmon that we marinated a while ago. Isn't it looking so pretty? I'm excited to eat it. So okay, I have my grill on now. Okay, so let's make sure that our grill or grill plate is hot. And we're going to brush it with oil so it won't stick to the grill plate, okay? Skin down first. And I'm using grill plate just in case the fish falls apart, so I won't left with nothing. Alright? Cook it around 7 to 10 minutes each side. Okay, let's flip it and hope for the best. Okay, let's turn off the heat. That's done. Serve it with your favorite side dish or grilled vegetables. There it is. I serve it with broccoli. It's simple, quick, easy, and delicious. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me, and see you next time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And for instructions, just check the description box below. Thank you and see you next time.